해외여행 가셔도 쇼츠와 인터넷 끊을 수 없으시죠? 무료 와이파이가 뜨면 반가운 마음에 바로 연결하실 텐데요. 아무 생각 없이 이용하는 이런 와이파이 연결, 사실은 정말 위험한 일입니다. 특히 해외여행에서는 정말 빈번한 해킹과 정보 유출이 일어납니다. 그래서 난 현지 유심이나 e심 쓰는데 하시는 분들, 아쉽지만 그것도 완전한 답은 아닙니다. 유심을 꽂는 순간 여러분의 모든 데이터는 이름도 모르는 그 나라 통신사의 망을 그대로 통과하게 되고, 나라에 따라서는 여러분이 어디에 접속하는지 들여다보거나 아예 차단해 버리기도 하죠. 오늘 소개해드린 서프샤크는 여러분과 인터넷 사이에 암호화된 터널을 만들어서 여러분의 정보를 안전하게 지켜주는 VPN 중 손꼽히는 가성비를 자랑합니다. 그뿐만 아니라 여행지에서 막혀있는 앱이나 한국에서 서비스되지 않는 영화와 게임을 위해 접속 지역을 바꿔야 하고, 무료 앱보다 월등한 속도가 필요하다면 서프샤크 하나로 충분합니다. 게다가 요즘은 어느 사이트에 들어가든 광고가 덕지덕지 붙어 있는데, 서프샤크의 클린앱 기능을 이용하시면 배너 광고들도 쾌적하고 깔끔하게 차단해 드리니 쾌적한 환경에서 인터넷을 하시려면 꼭 필요한 앱이라고 자신합니다. 지금 화면에 보이는 링크 혹은 더보기나 고정 댓글에 surfshark.com UPK를 클릭하시거나 결제 시 코드 UPK를 입력하시면 4개월을 추가로 이용할 수 있는 혜택을 받으실 수 있으니, 올여름 휴가 떠나시기 전 합리적인 가성비의 VPN을 가장 좋은 조건으로 준비할 수 있는 이 기회 절대 놓치지 마시기 바랍니다. 여기 16번째 생일을 맞이하는 한 소녀가 있습니다.
Let's give it up one more time for the birthday girl, Elle Woods.
엘의 생일은 헐리우드 스타가 부럽지 않을 만큼 화려합니다. 그 이유는 그녀가 부자라서가 아닌 이렇게 많은 사람들에게 사랑을 받고 있기 때문이죠.
Tiffany, you helped me find my signature scent. Mrs. Campbell, you showed me the importance of an SPF. And Madison, my best friend of 12.5 years, I can't even count the number of times you saved me from overplucking my eyebrows. If it weren't for you, I would look like the Mona Lisa in my yearbook photo.
She's not done yet, honey. She's landing the plane.
I know, phew. Thank you. So I would just like to raise a glass to all of you. My friends, my world. I'm so lucky to have this life. I wouldn't change a thing. Cheers!
엘은 파티 분위기를 띄울 노래를 선곡합니다.
Maybe something like Madonna, but not exactly Madonna. Madonna 2 years ago. Not Madonna now.
네, 드라마의 배경은 1995년 LA입니다.
Okay, let's talk junior year. I'm assuming that you've put together some 5-point plan to allow us to dominate 11th grade.
It's a 3-point plan.
More concise, it's better.
Step 1, solidify our friendships with the coolest senior girls so our reputations are firmly in place when they graduate.
Obviously.
Step 2, become group leaders in the cheer squad.
That's inevitable.
And step 3, and this is probably the most important step of all, have the most perfect first kiss with the most perfect guy.
Let me guess. Hot Josh.
메디슨은 조씨를 불러 엘과 자리를 만들어주고 빠집니다.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, hot. Josh, you are so sweet.
Well, I'm really glad Madison called me over. There's something I've been meaning to talk to you about.
Really?
So I've been thinking about you, actually.
Yeah?
And
Sorry.
it's okay.
케이크에 불을 붙여 고백을 듣지 못한 엘. 하지만 상관없습니다. 그녀는 언제나 사랑받을 것이고 그것은 영원할 거니까요.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
그렇게 파티를 끝내고 휴식을 취하는 엘. 그런데 심각한 표정으로 부모님이 다가옵니다.
We have something important we want to talk to you about.
성형외과 의사인 아빠는 얼마 전 자신이 수술한 여배우의 코가 잘못됐다고 말합니다.
Kind of.
Dad, that's
That's social suicide.
I know. She had to drop out of her next movie. It's a mess. And word's starting to spread that it's my fault. There might be a lawsuit.
So we are gonna have to lay low for a little bit.
아빠는 새로운 병원에서 일하게 된 걸 말합니다.
I found a place. It's a private practice, only one other doctor. I can't afford to be choosy right now.
It's great. What's it called?
Seattle's Elite.
Because the other doctor's from Seattle?
Because the practice is in Seattle.
And they're opening an office here?
No, the office is in Seattle.
And you'll commute to Seattle?
Elle, we're moving to Seattle.
No. It doesn't sound right.
LA에 친구도 많고 완벽한 삶을 살고 있는데 멀리 떨어진 시애틀로 이사가야 한다는 말은 엘에게 청천벽력과도 같은 말이었죠.
How long will that be?
A couple of years.
It's my whole life.
Hey. The Woods family is adaptable. Do you remember when those coyotes wandered over during my night before the night before party?
Yes.
I told everyone we imported them for ambiance. And guess what? We all had a great time.
We did. This is just like that.
Except for longer.
쇼핑을 하며 기분을 풀어보는 엘.
Okay, here's what you have to do. You know your dad feels guilty, right? Yeah. So you prey on that guilt, and then you lock it away. And then you start to collect interest on it until one day you need something from him, and he owes you big time.
That works?
Oh, yeah. My dad forgot my birthday like 5 years ago, and now I can have voiceover with the door closed.
하지만 엘은 당장 내일 LA를 떠나야 합니다.
I've never been to Seattle. It sounds north.
Yeah?
Your life is not over. It's just different.
맞습니다. 새로운 친구야 사귀면 되는 거고 지금 친구들이 보고 싶으면 여행을 오면 되는 거죠. 달라져 봐야 같은 미국인데 얼마나 다를까요?
I know it's scary. But this is just gonna be our new home for a little while. Was a funeral home using this place as storage?
It came furnished. Isn't that convenient? Nope.
시애틀의 가구는 LA와 색깔부터 달랐습니다. 그리고 하늘은 쉬지 않고 비가 내리고 있었죠.
Bruiser, we have to give Seattle a shot.
우중충한 기운을 물리치기 위해 잔뜩 힘을 주는 엘.
Bruiser, wish me luck.
그리고 첫 등교를 하는데 학생들의 옷이나 분위기가 LA와는 너무나 달랐습니다.
Oh my God! Where are the manners? Hey, it's gonna be fine.
Feeling very blonde.
There's another one.
Mom, her roots.
I know. I hope it's a choice. Hey, you got this.
금발이 너무의 원작을 보신 분들은 아시겠지만 엘은 멘탈도 강하고 매우 똑똑한 사람입니다.
Nice umbrella.
Thanks, it's an heirloom.
She's joking. You look like an idiot.
하지만 영화보다 이른 시점인 지금 드라마의 엘은 그때보단 완숙하지 못한 모습을 보여주겠죠.
Do you do anything fun over the summer?
What?
This summer. Do you do anything fun?
What do you mean?
What's that?
Zine?
Oh, like a magazine. I have 2 subscriptions to Cosmo. One for my archives and one I can crease.
No, like a zine.
Cool. What else are you into?
Did someone put you up to this?
I'm Elle. I like iced coffee the month of July and when people dress kind of Tennessee, even if they don't play tennis.
Was it Kimberly?
Welcome to first period. I am Mr. Nichols, and this is English.
니컬슨은 학생들에게 방학 전에 나눠준 숙제를 했는지 물어봅니다.
It was the shortest thing on your summer reading list, so it's kind of a gimme. Yes.
First of all, nice to meet you. Second of all, I never received a summer reading list.
It was mailed out in May.
Yeah, I actually didn't know I'd be going to this school until kind of recently. There was this whole thing with my dad. Don't ask. Like, seriously, don't ask. I can't talk about it. NDA.
모두에게 사랑만 받아왔다 엘은 주절주절 떠들지만 시애틀 영크크들에겐 관심 없는 듣기 싫은 소리일 뿐입니다.
Just try to keep up, okay? So, much ado about nothing. What is it? It is a play. What do we know about it? It was written by William Shakespeare, the great bard himself.
We're still accepting donations for the auction. Still accepting donations for the auction.
엘은 오전에 보았던 스케이트보드 소년을 발견하고 반가움의 말을 겁니다.
I thought you were a jerk, but you're just British. You're used to driving on the wrong side of the road, which I totally get. Not the driving thing. I'm not from here either. Wow. Is this place different, right?
Right.
Have you noticed how many hoodies they wear? What is that about? I'm out what? Oh.
Dustin. And I've lived here for like 9 years, so that's most of my life.
Cool. I'll just go to my locker.
분명 똑같은 영어를 하고 있는데 공감을 하지 못하고 대화가 잘 통하지 않는 시애틀 아이들.
Hi, could you help me with something? Sorry. Just trying to get the lay of the land, like what cliques are where, who sits with who.
Yeah, I still feel like you're messing with me. What's the agenda here?
엘은 학교에 어떤 부류의 아이들이 있는지 물어봅니다.
Band geeks, jocks, D&D nerds, stoners, kids of parents with Microsoft money, and kids of parents with Boeing money.
그중 학교에서 가장 영향력이 강한 3학년 무리를 파악하고 다가가는 엘.
Hi, ladies. I was told this is where the coolest of the cool seniors sit. Well, technically I'm a junior, but spiritually I'm a senior.
Oh, you're sitting. Wait, I thought we were going to the Bikini Kill show that weekend.
So fun.
You know Bikini Kill?
Oh, I know bikinis. That kill.
비키니 킬은 여성으로만 이루어진 펑크 밴드입니다. LA에서 온 엘이 알 리가 없겠죠.
LA. Yeah, that explains it. You must be so happy to have escaped.
What's wrong with LA?
Nothing. I think we just value different things here, like the planet and social justice, and not being totally entitled and sitting wherever we want in the cafeteria on our first day when some of us have spent 4 years earning this table.
Have you ever actually been to LA?
No. No, you couldn't pay any of us to set foot in California. And this little exchange is not changing my mind. Okay, before LA Barbie interrupted us, the jackets. Right, yeah. You know the ones.
살면서 이런 대우는 처음 받아보는 엘. 적응하는데 시간이 많이 필요해 보입니다.
Okay, I'll have him get back to you. All right, Sudie. Well, good to hear she's doing well. Bye.
Hi.
Hi.
Love the bobbleheads. Très chic.
엘은 시애틀 아이들에게 기가 눌려 양호실에서 눈을 붙이고 싶었습니다. 하지만 양호실이 어딘지 몰라 물어보려고 행정센터를 찾아왔죠. 그런데 여기서 급식비를 내지 못한 학생에게 현금을 쥐어주는 모습을 목격합니다.
Why is he skipping lunch?
His parents haven't paid for school lunch, but the boys gotta eat, and I have petty cash.
행정센터에서 일하는 도나는 말 그대로 학생들의 모든 걸 지원해주는 너무나 고마운 사람이었습니다.
Well, the way I see it is that it is my job to look out for all of you. And if that means sneaking into the cafeteria to get someone a piece of cake for their birthday, or signing a permission slip that their parents forgot to sign, you know, some rules are made to be broken.
Is that a Cosmo?
You can tell by the corner.
Of course.
엘은 자신처럼 코스모 구독자인 도나가 너무나 반갑습니다.
Hi, Donna. Just give me 5, and then I'm gonna make a few phone calls.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, there is just one more form I need you to fill out. We kind of have a no chit-chat policy here in the office.
I totally understand.
Now, I could call your parents and tell them you have a 24-hour bug or something. Or you could spend your lunch in here, doing that very important paperwork, of course. And you could give this place a chance.
What kind of chance?
Well, if this was your first day at your old school, how would you be spending it?
L-E-T-S-G-O, that's the way we spell let's go, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go. And I don't know your mascot, so go, team, go. Thank you.
It's fine. You're in.
가뿐하게 치어리더에 합격하고 밖으로 나가는 엘. 그런데
L-E-T-S-G-O, that's the way we spell let's go, let's go. Hey, hey, let's go.
Great, you're in. Sweet.
이들은 치어리더의 문턱이 그다지 높지 않은 것처럼 보입니다.
Oh, Gio. Sorry.
It's okay. No.
Are you okay?
엘은 남학생에게 궁금한 걸 물어봅니다.
Does this school not have a football team? If so, I can't imagine they're very highly motivated since...
Yeah, football's not really a thing here.
So who do they root for?
I think girls here think cheering for boys is lame.
So they just cheer for themselves?
You got a name?
Elle Woods.
Elle Woods.
Yeah.
집으로 돌아온 엘. 그리고 아버지와 어머니는 새로운 직장과 집을 마음에 들어하지만 엘은 머리가 복잡합니다.
Such an interesting place, Eva. What about you? How's the new school?
Yeah, you said you tried out for cheer. How was it?
I don't think I'm gonna join. The girls here just kind of cheer for themselves.
I don't get it.
I think it's feminism.
좋아하는 드라마를 봐도 집중이 되지 않는 엘. 그때 LA 친구 메디슨에게 연락이 옵니다.
What? Madison? I can't hear you.
I got a car phone.
Oh, that's so cool.
I know, right? Tiffany and Amber are here too. Hi, We don't have time for hellos. Sorry.
I only have 2 minutes on this thing before I start getting charged $1 gazillion and my parents kill me. But the headline is...
School was crazy today.
So crazy.
That sounds really fun, you guys.
It was.
친구들은 학교 얘기를 해주는데 엘은 이상하게 웃음이 나지 않았습니다.
But enough about us. How was your first day?
Did you make any friends?
Does the school secretary count?
It's a great jumping off point.
I don't feel like I really speak the same language as anyone here.
Well, have you tried learning their language?
What do you mean?
Get fluent in Seattle.
I don't know if that's possible.
Oh, I'm sorry, Elle, 2 minutes are up.
We miss you. We love you.
Well, I miss you guys. Bye. Get fluent in Seattle.
메디슨의 조언대로 시애틀 스타일로 옷을 꾸며보는 엘. 그런데 절대로 손대선 안 될 것을 건드리고 맙니다. 그 당시 10대들의 영웅과도 같은 너바나의 스마일 로고를 자신만의 스타일로 고친 엘. 3학년 킴벌리가 다가와 충고를 해줍니다.
Wow. People are saying that you wearing that shirt is the second worst thing to ever happen to Nirvana. Wait, I'm sorry, did you replace the eyes with little hearts?
I leaned into its innate smiliness.
Did no one ever tell you that we don't do posers here? Seattle isn't a costume, and pink isn't a personality.
보이지 않는 벽이 느껴집니다. 터질 듯한 슬픔을 억누르는 엘.
Mom? Bruiser? Anyone?
아직도 이삿짐 정리가 하나도 되어 있지 않습니다. 나만 힘들고 나만 고생하는 것 같아 서러운 엘. 그런데
Mom? In here.
엄마는 다른 모든 걸 제쳐두고 딸 방부터 정리를 해줬습니다. LA를 떠난 걸 누구보다 힘들어할 딸을 위해 자신이 해줄 수 있는 유일한 것이기 때문이죠.
You hate it?
No.
What, I got the wrong shade. You wanted spring watermelon? What?
I love it.
Does your face know you love it?
I do. That's the problem. I'm shallow. What kind of person has the worst day of her life solved by pink drapery?
A nice one.
What if I really am the vapid LA girl they all think I am?
Well, I don't know if you should be putting so much stock in the opinions of people who wear leather jewelry.
You don't understand. They fight for things like social justice and hold student auctions, and they write their own zines.
What's a zine?
Exactly.
You know who you are? You're a Gemini.
I bet they hate astrology too.
That means you're funny and smart and adaptable, and you find a way to make all types of friends. You say they have depth, they care, well, so do you.
You're right. I do care.
You just have to show them that.
다음 날 더스틴이 행정 직원을 위한 경매 행사를 진행하는 걸 봅니다. 그런데 물건이 잘 팔리지 않아 고생하는 것 같죠.
No, but what about it's basketball? Is there anything special about this basketball? It's okay. It's just a basketball. It's just a basketball, but it's a nice basketball. I guess I will just keep it for myself. All right. What's next?
A vase from my mom.
Vase from Jacob's mum. Any starting bids?
I have something I'd like to say. This isn't just any vase. It is a multi-use art piece. It can hold flowers. It can serve as an organizer for your school supplies. Or it can just look nice.
What are you doing?
I am helping the support staff of this school who are being vastly underpaid. Don't you watch the news? The first rule of fundraising is you have to be a salesperson. Watch. This vase is also an investment piece. Let's say Justin's mom, Jacob's mom, blows up as an artist in the next few years. Do you know how much money you can make off of this? Potentially thousands of dollars.
$20.
We have $20. That's a steal.
25.
Ooh, not bad. But can anyone beat that?
30.
Going once, going twice. Sold to
Miles.
Miles.
Yeah.
I got it.
Okay, what's next?
Here you go.
Oh, it's really something.
I had to come clean. Jacob's mom's never going to make it in the art world. I am so sorry.
Well, you could have convinced me. Actually, you did convince me. That's why I bought it.
Are we doing this?
Yes. Thanks again.
엘은 계속 물건을 바라보는데 반응이 시원치 않습니다. 그러자 이 경매를 하는 이유, 진심을 담아 그 이유를 설득해보는 엘.
Donna's let me eat lunch in her office every day since I've been here, even when she wasn't supposed to. You guys, she pays for some students' lunches using petty cash. And that's not even mentioning the permission slips she signed, the unexcused absences she doesn't mark, and I've only been at the school a couple days. This is money going directly into Donna's pocket, and into the pocket of dozens of other Donnas at this school. So I'll ask you again. Who wants this Ken Griffey Jr. jersey? $20. 30. 35. Okay, Allison.
Not bad.
Yeah, well, it looks like I'm not as shallow as you thought.
I never said you were shallow. Out loud.
엘은 무채색 투성이인 시애틀에서 자신의 색을 처음으로 빛내봅니다. 다음 날.
Oh, Donna!
Take care, girls.
Hey, 90210. Get anyone fired lately?
What?
Oh, you didn't hear? Your little stunt yesterday got Donna fired. Turns out when you announce every single rule someone's broken to the entire school, they get punished for it.
몰래 학생들을 돕던 도나의 선의. 하지만 그것은 누군가에게 공감 가지 않는 특혜로 보였고 이것을 신고하여 도나는 행정 직원에서 잘리게 됩니다.
I was just trying to help.
Oh, yeah? How'd that go?
But I'm a creep.
LA에서 살던 시절을 꿈꾸는 엘.
Donna? What are you doing in Bel Air? Seattle? I wish we could wake up from this nightmare, Bruiser.
잠을 뒤척인 엘은 수척한 모습입니다.
Did you sleep okay, sweetie? You have a slight case of the Birkins. Are you still upset about that secretary getting let go?
도나의 일은 엘에게 지금까지 느껴보지 못했던 죄책감을 심어줍니다. 그래서 어떻게든 그녀를 복귀시키려고 계획 중이죠.
If you want to throw her a bone, I'd be happy to put a call into our crisis manager.
The one that convinced you to move to the city God and Gucci forgot.
오늘도 화려한 패션으로 등교하는 엘. 그리고 외모를 체크하는데 뒤쪽에 3학년 킴벌리가 보입니다.
Good morning, Kimberly.
Happy Monday, Pink Slip.
Oh, this isn't a slip. It's more of an alpaca tweed.
She doesn't get it. Of course she doesn't.
엘은 도나가 돌아오길 바라는 사람들을 모아 학교에서 시위를 하자고 말합니다.
For example, when the Oscars snubbed Angelica Houston for the Addams Family Values, my friends and I collected money for a chimp sanctuary.
I don't think she's kidding. Elle, I'm sure Angelica Houston loved knowing that you and your friends found a way to make her award season all about you. But wouldn't the best way to honor Donna have been not getting her fired in the first place?
Basically, no one wants to be seen with you.
Yeah, she gets it, Katie.
엘의 행동은 진심이 아니라 관심과 칭찬을 바라는 위선적인 행동이라는 김벌리.
Elle, I just got your emergency page. 187? Does that mean bad haircut, or are you being held at gunpoint?
I don't make everything about me, do I?
Of course not. Hey, you're notoriously bad at accepting a compliment.
Wait, why aren't you at school?
Oh, there was an earthquake this morning.
Oh my god, you should have 187 me.
It wasn't bad, it messed with our collective chi.
I miss earthquakes.
이때 잡지 코스모를 훑어보던 메디슨이 놀라운 걸 발견합니다.
I just found a way to get you home. Cosmo's doing a semester-long internship in LA.
Oh my god.
잡지에서 정한 주제로 에세이를 써 보내면
Cosmo girls get knocked down, but they get up again. When things get bad, how would you stage your comeback?
당첨자는 LA에서 인턴십에 참여하는 겁니다.
I could write about Donna's comeback. I can help her get rehired. She really deserves a second chance here. Wait, but isn't that kind of hard?
Sure, Elle was.
I've seen you open 6 cans of Fanta without breaking one acrylic nail.
I did do that. Okay, I can do this. I'll get Donna her job back, crush his essay, and put Seattle in my rear view.
Let's get you home, Elle.
리즈는 친구들과 카펫마트 공연표가 순식간에 매진된 걸 아쉬워합니다.
I'd ask you what Carpet Mart is, but I assume you're mad at me too.
I actually didn't even notice you. Which, I don't know, is that worse?
말 많은 엘은 도나의 일로 사람들이 자신을 미워한다고 말합니다.
The Donna thing?
Getting her fired. But worry not. This is just the origin story of Donna's epic comeback.
그때 수업이 시작되고 니컬스 선생님은 또 재미없는 책을 펴고 수업을 합니다.
The book is boring. Can we read something more not boring?
Well, this boring book was deemed a critical part of your junior year curriculum by the Washington State Board of Education. So if you really have an issue with it, I don't know, start a petition or something.
That's perfect. Mr. Nichols, you're brilliant.
Thank you. Okay, of mice and men. Yet another example of why California sucks.
엘은 도나의 복귀를 바라는 사람들의 서명을 받아 제출합니다.
And you think a few signatures are going to get Donna her job back?
These 117 signatures embody our unified voice, a testament to our unwavering resolve that injustice will not be tolerated.
그때
All sparkly clean. I left your car in your spot. The detailing guy found this jacket under your passenger seat.
Thank you, Miss Martindale.
Principal Anderson, while I do love a bold citrus, I'm not sure orange suede maximizes the potential of your complexion.
It's my wife's.
Oh, you mean that stone cold fox pretending to like sports?
Not pretending. Born and raised Mariners junkie, and flattery is not going to get Donna her job back. Get to class.
Oh, Principal Anderson.
Get to class.
결국 도나를 찾아가 이 상황에 대해 상담을 하려고 하는데 그녀는 벌써 다른 알바 자리를 구해 일을 하고 있었죠.
Donna, I know I'm probably the last person you want to talk to and that you have easy access to a boning knife. But I'm really, really sorry you got fired.
Oh, thanks, Elle, but there is nothing to be sorry about. Do I wish you hadn't shared my tricks of the trade with the entire student body? Yes. But they are my tricks, and I gotta own them.
엘은 도나를 위한 청원을 진행 중이라고 말합니다.
Started a petition.
117 signatures strong. But Principal Anderson was impressively unmoved. He's such a stickler.
Elle, you shouldn't be trying to fix this with him.
You're right. We need to go higher. Like the school superintendent. I bet Jackie a suit skirt I have been dying to mobilize.
No, Elle, stop trying to help me with anybody.
You don't want to keep working here, do you?
Of course not. I hate this place. A raccoon followed me home last night.
무슨 일인지 교장에게 더 이상 따지지 말라는 도나. 혹시 다른 무엇이 있는 걸까요?
Like, seriously, now, duck.
Order!
Duck.
7!
다음날 학교에서 처음 보는 여성이 말을 걸어옵니다.
Hi, I'm Shannon Walker, chair of the social committee. Well, the only member of the social committee. Are you okay?
Sorry. I forgot what it was like to receive eye contact.
Well, I'm here to officially welcome you to Rainier West High with this gift basket. I would have given it to you last week, but I was in the city visiting FIT.
As in the Fashion Institute of Technology?
Finally, someone's heard of it. I love Seattle, but our style's kind of lacking. Anyway, I'm applying for early admission. Being a senior is so stressful.
Are you real?
이제야 조금 말이 통하는 사람을 만난 엘. 심지어 그녀는
I've actually already heard. Donna was the best, but I don't blame you.
엘이 도나에게 친 사고를 알고도 그녀를 미워하지 않습니다.
Anyway, got ahead, but the sun's never gone, Elle. She's just pumping herself up behind a cloud. Bye! Bye!
희망이 조금씩 보입니다.
Hey, let me help you with that.
엘의 매력을 느끼고 다가오는 사람이 늘어갑니다.
So you don't hate me either?
Should I hate you?
Preferably not.
Okay, settled. I will continue not hating you.
Thank you.
Next.
With a vegetarian option, please. Right.
마일스는 엘이 귀여운지 계속 미소를 짓습니다.
What?
Nothing.
그때 마일스의 친구들이 그를 부르고
I'm sorry. I gotta run.
Do it with conviction.
Enjoy your bun.
I will.
빈자리를 찾는 엘의 눈에 방금 전 만났던 셰넌이 보입니다. 그런데
Shannon! And Kimberly.
네, 그녀는 킴벌리의 배걸이었죠. 결국 더스틴의 옆자리에 앉는 엘, 그리고 어떻게 셰넌같이 착한 아이가 킴벌리와 친하게 지냈는지 이해를 하지 못합니다.
How could she be friends with someone like Kimberly? Who is obviously relishing my fall from grace.
I think you're overestimating how much people liked you before this.
이때 셰넌이 준 입학 선물에서 소설책이 보입니다. 그리고 이 책을 쓴 사람이 셰넌의 엄마인 걸 알게 되죠. 엄마에게 도움을 청합니다.
Speaking of community building, my classmate's mom wrote a book and she's having an event tonight.
이사온 기념으로 주변 이웃을 초대해 파티를 하려는 이바. 그렇기에 셰넌의 엄마가 오늘 밤 주최하는 낭독회 같은 곳은 이런 인맥을 넓히기에 아주 적당한 장소입니다.
And then it hit me. I couldn't run from my past.
자신의 본 모습을 찾아가는 여정을 그린 소설의 내용은 90년대 LA 여성의 마음을 흔들기에 충분했습니다.
But the struggle made me who I am. Thank you.
He has such a way with words.
Very evocative. I felt like I was being wrongfully evicted right alongside her.
Yes.
Wow. Let's go get our copies.
이때 셰넌이 애를 알아봅니다.
I can't believe you came. Nobody at school ever comes to these kinds of things. I mean, it's a book reading, not carpet mark, but still. Are you going tomorrow?
표도 없고 함께 갈 사람도 없는 엘은 대충 말을 돌려버리고
Elle, you're so funny and so stylish. I wouldn't wear those cute suede boots outside, though.
Oh, these are ultra suede. Faux suede that is animal and cruelty-free and waterproof.
Oh, thank God, because Seattle women don't wear suede.
Everyone knows you can't wear soft leather in a city that rains 160 days a year. Even I know that. I'm not even from Seattle.
셰넌과의 대화에서 놀라운 사실을 깨달은 엘.
Principal Anderson's having an affair!
엘은 얼마 전 교장의 차에서 나온 코트가 떠올랐습니다.
So yesterday, I was in his office and I commented on an orange suede jacket he claimed was his wife's. And I thought, it's a bad color match for a redhead, but who am I to judge? And then he said she had gone to every Mariners game since she was a toddler, which means she was born and raised in Seattle. And Seattle women don't wear suede!
The jacket must belong to some other woman. Why else would he lie?
Exactly. Oh, this is perfect. I can use this as leverage to get Donna out of that job that she hates.
Oh my God, I love the way you talk. You have to let me help.
Seriously? It won't be easy, though, to be honest. I've never used the word leverage before in my life.
이때 이반은 작가에게 사인을 받고 있습니다.
Oh, profound. And speaking of profound, this is my L.
Oh! It is so nice of you both to come. LA women are so friendly.
You and Shannon must come over for drinks sometime. I make a killer cocktail. And mocktail.
It's true. Her heavy petting on the beach is to die for.
We would love that.
Oh, mind if we head out? I need your advice on how to handle a juicy piece of intel.
마지막으로 자신의 감상평을 전해주는 이바. 그런데
Your book reminded me so much of my husband's botched nose job.
My book on systemic discrimination?
이반은 책의 내용을 전혀 이해하지 못하고 있었고 그 비유나 해석들은
Well, I'm glad you enjoyed the book, Eva.
I loved it.
Mom, there's a line forming behind us.
얼굴이 후끈거릴 정도로 엉망이었습니다. 엘은 오늘 있었던 일을 아빠에게 말합니다. 그 모습은 마치 금발비인은 멍청하다는 편견을 보여주는 것 같았죠.
I love Mom, but I wish I brought you instead.
그리고 이 대화를 들어버린 이봐.
Well, it's not the first time your mom's over-involved herself. I think she's just looking to connect with people.
Yeah, well, it's hereditary, and not in the good cheekbones way. If I hadn't over-involved myself by trying to connect with people in that school auction, I wouldn't be in this situation.
Perhaps, but maybe there's some good news for you about this terrible hereditary condition.
Doubtful.
Your mom never stays down for long, and she has more friends than anyone I've ever met. And so do you.
Yeah. Actually, I need your help with something.
엘은 기분 좋은 표정으로 리즈를 찾아갑니다.
Hi. Kay, are you stalking me? Because this is starting to feel like stalking.
You don't exactly make it hard to find you when the only clothing you own is bad vibrations paraphernalia.
엘은 함께 카펫마트에 가자고 말합니다.
Anyway, I thought maybe we could go together.
가고 싶지만 이미 매진이라 표가 없다는 리즈.
Oh, nothing's ever really sold out. I asked my dad to get us tickets. He can do anything.
사실 표는 아빠가 구한 게 아닙니다. 여기저기 전화를 돌려봤지만 아빠는 구하지 못했고 결국 인맥이 넓은 이바에게 부탁을 했죠.
Elle asked you to get her tickets?
She probably saw how busy you were with the house and didn't want to bother you.
You're being sweet.
이바가 상처받을까봐 거짓말을 하는 남편. 그리고 이바는 이런 자상함이 고맙습니다.
For music-related inquiries, including tickets and events, we call Simon Ledoux.
Got it. Simon Ledoux.
명함철을 꺼내는 이바.
Please bring me my Rolodex and a dry martini. Thank you.
공연장에 들어갑니다.
Trust system. I'm sure this is fine.
리즈는 공연을 보러 가고 엘은 샤넬을 만나 도나를 복귀시킬 작전을 짜려고 합니다. 그런데
What's up, Pink Slip? Why are you here with the chick who got your mom fired?
Wait, what?
네, 리즈는 도나의 딸이었습니다.
Liz! Hang on. Hey, since when is Donna your mom?
Since birth?
Why didn't you tell me?
Because you never asked.
그리고 도나가 잘려도 아무것도 하지 않는 이유를 말해줍니다.
We live out of district, okay? My mom just told me that me going to our school hinges on her working there, which means I should have gotten kicked out when she did. But Anderson was willing to fudge the paperwork to keep me enrolled.
He can do that?
He did do that. So if you start accusing him of cheating via what I assume is a sparkly pink ransom note on my mom's behalf, I'm pretty sure I'd get kicked out too.
변명조차 하지 않고 서둘러 학교를 떠났던 도나. 그 이유는 리즈가 조금이라도 좋은 학교를 다니길 바라는 엄마의 마음 때문이었죠.
I don't want you to get kicked out.
And please just give up.
이상하게 이럴 때마다 나타나는 더스틴.
Everything just feels backwards here. But Principal Anderson fudges paperwork and cheats on his wife, and he's a freaking hero.
Wait, what do you mean fudges paperwork?
리즈 때문에 더 자세한 얘기는 해주지 않고 함께 공연을 즐깁니다. 밴드 공연을 처음 본 엘. 결국 사고가 일어나고 맙니다.
Are you okay?
마일스는 애를 업고 병원에 옵니다. 그리고 부모님께 연락과 접수까지 해주는 자상한 마일스.
Let me see.
Mom, I'm here. I'm here.
Oh my God.
I am fine.
딸이 걱정되어 한 걸음에 달려온 이바. 그리고 딸과 함께 있는 잘생긴 남성.
And who is that handsome young gentleman who seems very concerned about your well-being?
He's just a friend.
She's gonna make it.
Thanks.
자세한 건 나중에 묻기로 하고 마일스는 집으로 보냅니다. 그리고 치료를 마치고 집으로 돌아온 엘은 셰넌과 통화를 합니다.
Al, I heard you took a major one to the head. Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I did. It was pretty major. But I'll survive.
Of course you will. They make them tough in LA.
Oh, so that Principal Anderson thing? Turns out I got a bad tip. I'm dropping it.
리즈를 위해 조사를 포기합니다. 그런데 엘의 말을 들었던 더스틴은 야후 뉴스에서 놀라운 걸 발견합니다. 엘은 부르저를 데리고 산책을 합니다. 그리고 눈알이 튀어나올 만큼 놀라운 현장을 목격합니다.